The science and impact of genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is a revolutionary technique in biotechnology that allows scientists to directly manipulate an organism's DNA to alter its traits with precision and efficiency. Genetic engineering involves the deliberate modification of an organism's genetic material using advanced tools like CRISPR, recombinant DNA technology, and gene editing methods to introduce, enhance, or suppress specific traits. The process begins with identifying and isolating the desired gene responsible for a particular trait. The gene is then modified if necessary and inserted into the target organism's DNA using vectors such as plasmids or viruses. Finally, the modified organism is tested to ensure proper expression and functioning of the introduced gene. Traditional breeding involves selecting and crossing organisms with desirable traits to produce offspring with improved characteristics. Methods like selective breeding, hybridization, and mutagenesis have been used for centuries in agriculture and animal husbandry. Genetic engineering is highly precise, targeting specific genes, while traditional breeding relies on random genetic recombination. It delivers results in a single generation, whereas traditional breeding requires multiple generations. Genetic engineering can transfer genes between unrelated species, overcoming the natural species barrier, unlike traditional breeding, which is limited to related species. It introduces entirely new traits, such as pest resistance or enhanced nutrition, while traditional breeding focuses on enhancing traits already present in the organism. Genetic engineering uses advanced biotechnological tools like CRISPR, plasmids, and viral vectors, while traditional breeding relies on natural mating or hybridization methods. Genetic engineering is faster, more efficient, and allows for greater precision. It can create organisms with novel traits, such as crops resistant to drought or diseases, which traditional breeding cannot achieve. Despite its advantages, genetic engineering raises concerns about the safety of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, potential environmental impacts, and ethical questions around modifying life forms. Traditional breeding is slower but widely accepted due to its natural approach.